After the fryer has been successfully installed and connected, proceed to turn the fryer on by turning the power switch to the on position. The control will beep rapidly, light up all LED and display lights, and show its current software version, fryer model, type of power, and VAT configuration. The control will immediately enter the clock set menu and prompt the user to confirm several settings before finalizing fryer setup. The control will first ask to confirm the date. The date format is set to month, day, and year by default. Use the up and down arrow buttons to change the desired values accordingly, and use the program button to move to the next value. Finish setting up the date by pressing the program button. Next, the control will ask to confirm the time of the day. The format is set to 12-hour AM PM by default. Use the up and down arrow buttons to change the desired value accordingly. Then press the program button to move to the next value. Finish setting up the time by pressing the program button. Next, the control will ask to select the clock mode. Use the up and down arrow buttons to choose between 12-hour AM PM or 24-hour military time. Press the program button to move to the next setting. Next, the control will ask to select Daylight Savings Mode. By default, the control is set to US Daylight Savings Mode. However, there are three other options: Off, Euro for European countries that observe daylight savings, and FSA for those regions of the world that observe daylight savings the first Sunday in April. The next setting is to confirm the beginning of each day. This setting indicates the time of the day that the controller starts accumulating statistics for a new day. If set to 3 a.m., for example, then late night cook cycles and filter operations from midnight to 3 a.m. are accumulated with the previous day's statistics. After going through all the settings, the control will ask if the vat is full of oil. If not, turn the fryer off and turn it back on when the vat is full.